Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, hello, my name is Sam. Today I'm doing something a little bit different. This morning I filmed a look, and when I put it on my computer to edit it, I somehow deleted it, and I can't get it back. So I think I'm gonna refilm that soon, but I just got my Boxy charm box for the month of February, so I thought I could film a first impressions using this stuff it came with today. So I just took off my eye makeup and my lipstick and basically have everything else already on. So this should be a pretty quick and easy video. I'm just gonna be trying out the products and letting you know what I think of them. Anywho, without blabbering on any longer, let's get into it. So this month's theme is Galaxy Glow. It comes with the holographic highlighter palette from NABLA Cosmetics, a shimmer veil from COVERFX, a Smokey eye pencil from Vintage Cosmetics, sugar and lemon moisturizer lip buffer from Seraphine Botanicals, and a trio brush set from Crown Pro. So I guess I'll start with the sugar and lemon moisturizing lip buffer. This is what the package looks like. It's really interesting. I don't exactly know what it is. It says it's a blend of soft sugar crystals within a rich, nourishing salve base that gently exfoliates and buffs lips. Using your index finger, gently massage it onto your lips until the sugar crystals melt, then rinse with cold water or wipe with a wet tissue to reveal soft, gentle skin. Alright, so that's just like the packaging it comes in, and then it's actually in this little tube. I was very confused at first. I really like lemon scented things, so I'm kind of excited about this. It smells good. It's not super lemony. It kind of smells like a type of bubble gum that I can't place. It kind of feels like a lip gloss. Alright, now I'm going to remove it. I got the sugar in my mouth. I like this, but I don't think I'd be using it when I already have my face makeup on, which I guess most people probably wouldn't either. But maybe like before bed, or I guess before doing your makeup. My lips do feel really soft now though. Anywho, moving on. Let's see. I'm going to use the NABLA Cosmetics highlighting palette. This is what it looks like. Basically like the Anastasia Moonchild glow kit. Because the shimmering veil product is pink, I'm going to use this pink shade. I don't know if there are names. I don't see any names on them, but I'm using this shade right here. And I have some highlighter already on, so I guess that kind of defeats the purpose, but we'll see if this gives a pinkish look to it. That's pretty. It's definitely pink. Okay. She poppin'. Some people might not like to put colored highlighters on their nose, but I kind of like it. So this is really cute. Alright, well that is done. First impressions, I really like that, at least that shade. They all look really pretty though, so hopefully they'll all be good, and I'll use them again in a future video probably to show you some of the other colors. Next we have these three brushes from Crown. I should have tested this one for the highlighter. Didn't even think about it. Oh well. It's cool, there's like a little indentation right here, I guess for your finger. There's two indentions. Huh, that's kind of neat. So the shimmer veil is from COVERFX, and it's this purpley pink color. It's almost mauve-y. It doesn't really have any kind of smell to it. I think I'm gonna lay down an eyeshadow and then put that on top. Just gonna go in with my NABLA Cosmetics Dreamy eyeshadow palette and take this shade right here. This is Sinorita. And I'm just gonna put this in my crease and buff it all out. I'm gonna take that under my eye a little bit as well. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of this purple shade from SUGARPILL. I think that shade is called 2 AM, but I'll have it in the description below just in case. So I'm gonna try out this flat brush from the Crown Brush Trio. I'm gonna take this in my crease and I'm gonna pat it on first. My outer crease. I'm also gonna take that under my eyes well, just at my lash line. I'm not trying to do any kind of extreme look by any means, just kind of slapping on some stuff so that I can try out these other products. Now I'm gonna take this, also this is in the shade Amethyst. And I'm gonna start at my inner corner and kind of do like a half cut crease kind of thing. That is so pretty. Just gonna pat it out on the edge. I am all about these liquid shimmery eyeshadows. I think these are like one of the best makeup inventions ever. Like obviously the eyeshadow before the shimmer, like it was okay, but it wasn't like anything special, but just like popping that on, bam. I think the last product is this Smokey eye pencil. It's literally just a black eyeliner. So I guess I'm just gonna line like the outer corner of my eye a little bit. So it's really pigmented. It's kind of creamy. It's really easy to use. I like it. I think that's all I'm gonna do with it though. I am, however, gonna put some of that pinky highlight shade in my inner corner. I also want to take this shade. It's kind of a pinky purple shade. Just kind of what we're going for here. That's pretty. Alright, so we're almost done. I'm just going to pop on some mascara. This is the Bleach London mascara. I'm also going to quickly pop on my Samantha lashes from Huda Beauty. Okay, so to finish off the lips, since it didn't come with any lipsticks, I'm just going to wear my Black Label Cosmetics Modern Love Liquid Lipstick. And I'm first going to outline my lips using Gossip Girl from Huda Beauty. Alright guys, so I think this is the completed look. It kind of turned into a Valentine's Day look, which I seem to be accidentally doing a lot lately. But I guess it's convenient to do that now and not after Valentine's Day. So, anywho, I just wanted to tell you the prices of everything and kind of explain BoxyCharm. So first off, I'm a BoxyCharm ambassador. Each month they send me their box and I promote it usually on my Instagram, but today I thought I'd do it on here. So each month BoxyCharm sends out a new box of makeup and it always has a little theme, like this month's is Galaxy Glow. So it's $21 a month, but you get 4 to 5 full-size products in each box and they have a retail value over $100, plus you get free shipping. So when you look at it, it's like $21 a month for $100 worth of makeup. I don't know, I think it's a pretty good deal. I'm always really excited when it comes in the mail because I get to try out new makeup brands, sometimes that I've never even heard of. So yeah, real quickly, I'll just tell you how much everything costs that came in this box. The highlighter palette is $39.99. The COVERFX Shimmer Veil is $28. Just that one item is worth this entire box. How crazy. The Smokey eye pencil is worth $21. The Sugar and Lemon lip buffer is $24 and the Trio brush set is $30. So if you guys decide to use my code, thank you so much for supporting me. It allows me to keep doing what I love, and yeah, I think that is all I have for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoy these kind of videos and want me to keep doing this, let me know in the comments down below. I don't have to, I can keep it on Instagram. But if you like it, I can keep doing it here. This way I can kind of explain to you guys what I think on each product. So yeah, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and also check out my Instagram. I'll have it somewhere on the screen right here. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.